Hey, welcome back to Lane Shop Builds. How's everyone doing today? This video we're going to be doing an unboxing on the Meng US Cougar 6x6 MRAP vehicle. This came in the mail today or yesterday, and we'll do an unboxing, and we'll talk a little bit about the group build coming up May 1st, or no, June 1st to May 31st, 2027, and let's get to it. Here's the box top. It's a Meng 1/35th scale. It says it's for ages 14 and above, but anybody can build it. It's part of the 1/35th Stegosaurus series. You can build two options with this. It's the Cougar 6x6 or the Cougar 6 HEV 6x6. This says MRAP, so you can tell they spelled wrong. It should be probably MRAP. At least I got it right here. It's by Meng, mengmodel.com. And they do not tape these. They come untaped or wrapped. A lot of parts in this. And some may not know what I'm talking about with this because it's my first military kit. Sprue here. Two of them. So there's probably seats and benches or something. We'll find out when we get to it. So we got a little bit of suspension, rear ends, the axles. A couple of little things in there we'll see. We'll get to it all when we start building. Another two in this one. Got wheels, brakes, it looks like. Probably some other frame suspension parts. Looks like a dash right here. Probably for the turret. Some exhaust. Probably a grill. Fenders, maybe. And some blue glass for the windows. Got our hull here, and that's what I read on this vehicle. They're curved, which helps deflect explosions underneath for like IEDs. Some other looks like hood parts, possibly vents. We got our clear glass. Some more wheels. Who knows what else is in here? Probably some engine parts. We'll get to them, I'm sure. Some more the lockers here on the side. It's like probably some little engine parts and other little pieces in here. Maybe parts of the engine. Maybe, who knows. Get some more clear glass in here. There's no flash on this whatsoever. This kit's been out 12 years probably, I think. 2014, 2012, 14 years. 13 years or so. So still looking pretty good. More parts of the body here, windows. This is some black rubber for like seat belts they provide. Some more probably interior parts. A lot of parts of this. Got a little ammo can with some ammo in it here. Kind of cool. More suspension parts. Got some decals and some photo etch. So we'll be learning how to use some photo etch. All of our tires. Looks like a machine gun in there. In the body. Got some more, who knows, more parts. Some color illustrations for the decals. Where they go. A little history on the vehicle in English, Chinese, some Russian it looks like. Pretty detailed instructions too. And from what I've seen, you assemble quite a bit before you do any painting on these. So that's the route we're going to go. We'll see. See how it goes. Well, I'm going to try and I'm going to think about it, making this removable so you can see the interior. Because as detailed as it is, you don't see the interior once you close it up. Quite a bit in here. Let's put that down at the bottom so it don't get bent. It'll go back in halfway decent. And with that, that is the unboxing of the Meng US Cougar 6x6 MRAP. With that, happy miling. We'll see you next time.